Alert forecast.
Well, back in the 80s today to kick off the month of April. 86 our afternoon high. That's 21 degrees above our average in the mid 60s. Right now, unless you've been rain cooled or impacted by cloud cover, most of us are still in the 80s. Areas that have seen more clouds or some showers and storms, generally in the 70s, even a few pockets of some upper 60s. If you gaze eastward tonight, we are going to have some cloudiness out there. After 7:30, you'll see the rising of April's full moon, which is the pink moon. Native Americans this time of year named it that because of the flocks on the ground, which is normally pink, but it will be a sight to see. But we do have some showers and storms that are out there and cloud cover as well. So we'll zoom in on some areas here. We still have some robust, stronger storms, especially as we get into southern Nelson County. This came out of Amherst, so right near the Massey's Mill area, just to the west of Route 29, and that is moving off to the northeast, so that would move toward the Lovingston area. Could have some wind gusts greater than 45 miles an hour and maybe some pea-sized hail with that little core. And then we have some very light showers here just to the east of the city. I didn't see much in terms of sprinkles outside the last I checked, but there we are along 53 and up toward Route 20 toward Stony Point. And then here we are in eastern Madison County out toward the Locust Dale area. You can see some recent lightning strikes here. That is moving deeper into Orange and Culpeper counties. So as we widen out the view, you can see these individual polygons. Those are individual severe thunderstorm warnings, a little cluster just to the west of Lynchburg now. We still run a risk of maybe isolated severe damaging wind gusts, some spotty large hail, but not everyone's going to see that, and that threat will really start to diminish after 8, 9 o'clock. Temperatures overnight will settle into the lower 60s. If you saw some rain, you'll likely have some patchy fog. So here we are this evening. The next couple of hours, you can see that hit and miss variety of some of the activity. Otherwise, it'll be quiet overnight. And then as we start tomorrow morning, we'll start in the upper 50s, lower 60s. We'll warm back up into the lower 80s for most locations. And again, we can't rule out a shower or storm, but a lot of locations will remain dry. Here we are on Friday, temperatures upper 50s, lower 60s, and temperatures still in the low 80s. Something isolated may develop, but it does appear that our best chance of rain is going to fall on Easter Sunday. So right now we're expecting temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. The showers could get in here during the morning, midday, and afternoon hours, and that would kind of put a kibosh on the temperature rise. So here we are with one particular model. This is the European, showing you the rain in here on Sunday, and temperatures would be a bit cooler and will return to more seasonable levels as we head into early next week. But we have a front just off to our north and west. You can see this current severe thunderstorm watch box through much of the state of West Virginia. That front will never clear our region, so it'll just hang out to the north, but with some daytime heating, some disturbances, it'll trigger a shower or storm. Cape Canaveral, well, last check, 77 degrees. The window will open for launch at 6:24, so we'll see how that goes. And of course, NBC Nightly News will have all the latest. In the meantime, this is the front that we're watching, and you can see some of that cooler air off to the north and west. That never really arrives for us. We're going to wait for a stronger front that will approach by Sunday. So a shower storm around early tonight, otherwise partial clearing, upper 50s, lower 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son's 7-day forecast with temperatures above average right through the start of the Easter weekend, and then we'll start to cool things down later Sunday into Monday of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.